Hello students, today we are going to see the another algebraic method to find out the solution of pair of linear equations. This is third method, cross multiplication method. As you know very well that about the substitution method and the elimination method. Now see how to use to find out the solutions by using the cross multiplication method. Okay, see the basic introduction of this method is that like this one. As we know that the standard form of the linear equations in two variables, that is what a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. These are our two equations, 1 and 2. This is the pair of equations of two variables. Now see, here a1, a2, b1, b2, c1, c2. These you very well know that these are the real numbers. Now here, when we are using the cross multiplication method, see what to do here. Ensure that first thing, whether you are both the constants on the same side or like this one, or either the constants is c1 and c2 of both the equations are in the right hand side or left hand side. So both here, both the constants are in left, or we want these both are in the right. That ensure first. It should not be that like it would be the constant of first equation is in the left and the constant of second equation is the right. It is not like that one. So both are the same side only. Either it will be on the left side or the right side. See, then this is x. Diagrammatically we see. Writing these arrows. This is your y. This is the variables. This is 1. Like this. Here we write b1 by b2. Here b1 by b2. Then c1 by c2. Here a1 by a2. And here is again what b1 by b2. Okay. Then x is equal, therefore see the formula, x divided by b1 into c1 minus b2 into c2. b2 into c2 is equal to x by c1 into a1, sorry, c1 into a2 minus this is c2 into a1 is equal to 1 a1 into b2 minus a2 into b1. If suppose these constants are in the right side, so here we will take the minus 1. Now both the constants on the left side, that's why I am taking here what 1. These both are in the right side, so here is what minus 1. Only that much change up there. Now this is the diagrammatically it is our formula. Okay, this is what cross multiplication method. Like this we have to use to find. See how it is applied directly. Taking one example. First one. Okay. Here these are equal to signs are there. I am going to have the example from your textbook. Just go through it and see first example. See what is given here. How example are frames. First question from 3.5. Which of the following pair of linear equations has unique solution, no solutions, or infinitely many solutions? In case there is a unique solution, find it by the using cross multiplication method. First you decided whether it has a unique solution, it has a no solutions, or it has a infinite many solutions. If you get it has only unique solution, then you apply this one. Okay, how we decided this is a one solution or infinite many solutions or no solutions? That you know that we compare the ratios of their variable. Okay, so that we have to see here again. First example I am taking from here, that is given x minus 3y minus 3 is equal to 0 and 3x minus 9y minus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, see first you have to decide it has a one solution or no solutions or infinite many solutions by comparing the ratios. Okay, for we need what a1, a2, b1, b2 and etc. So here this is a1 is equal to 1, b1 is equal to -3, c1 is equal to again -3, is -3, yeah. Then a2 is equal to 3, b2 is equal to -9 and c2 is equal to -2. Okay, now then compare the ratios. a1 by a2, what it be? 1 by 3, b1 by b2, -3 by -9, so is equal to 3 by 9 is 1 by 3. Okay, then again we apply this c1 by c2, what we get? -3 by -2, so it should be what? Is equal to 3 by 2. See this ratio. Okay, therefore for that a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2. Okay, a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 and is not equal to c1 by c2. This condition is there. So you know very well that a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2, but is not equal to c1 by c2. Means what? These lines are what? They are intersect, they are parallel, or they are coincident, or that there is a no solution. Okay, because these lines are what? Parallel. So therefore we may write it is so pair of solution, pair of equation has no solution. Why this? Because these lines are overlap, they are coincident, so that's why there is no solution. If the lines has no solution, so we cannot find a solution by any method, so it has no solution. That's it. Okay, so no need to find out the by go over this method. Okay, see the second question again. If suppose all the ratios are equal, then what? Lines are what? Parallel. So again we cannot find, there are the infinite many solutions. So again we cannot find the one solution. So no need to find by this method again. Okay. See, second example we can take from the same. That is 2x minus y, 2x plus y is equal to 5. 3x plus 2y is equal to 8. 2x plus y is equal to 5 and 3x plus 2y is equal to 8. Let us see. First we have to check what kind of pair this is. They are intersecting or non-intersecting, or they are what? Overlapping. So again a1 is equal to 2, b1 is equal to 1, c1 is equal to what? 5. One more thing is that, see, in this example, these both the constants are the right side. Okay, suppose it has a unique solution, so here we can take -1, because here we taken the 1 because these constants are in the left side. That's why, that is the difference only. Okay, then c1 is equal to what? 5, a2 is equal to 3, b2 is equal to 2 and c2 is equal to what? 8. Check a1 by a2, what? 2 by 3, b1 by b2, it is what? 1 by 2. These are not equal. Okay, then okay, if these two are not equal, so there is no need of third one. Okay, so let's see, c1 by c2 is equal to 5 by 8. Therefore what we get from here, a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. What this condition says, what kind of pair of equation it is. So a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, means it has a unique solution. It has what? Intersect. So pair of equations has that unique solution or one solution. unique solution. What question says? If it has a unique solution, then find by using the cross multiplication method. You may find it is by the substitution method also. You may find the answer of this by using the elimination method also. Okay. Now here we have to find by the cross multiplication method. See how it is used. Once you decided whether it is a unique solution or not, if it is unique solution, then go the further method. Okay. Now see. Okay, next part after that, by using the cross multiplication method. It is the first part of the question. Second part, I am rough this thing. Okay, from here. Okay, by cross multiplication method. See how it is applied here. With either you have to put these all values here or here. Ensure that I am once again repeating that in this example constants are in the left side. That's why here is what 1. If constants are in the right side, so here is taken what -1. Okay, that is only the difference. Same thing here also. Okay, now we apply it here. For that, therefore x by, either we can have this one, it is what x, or that y, it is what -1. Okay, because this is our what in RHS, that's why it is -1. Okay, now put what is here, b1 by b2. What is b1? 1 by 2. Then what? c1 by c2. What is c1? It is 5 by 8. Then what? a1 by a2, that is 2 by 2 and 3. Then what? b1 and b2, so it is what? 1 by 2. Then x divided by 1 into 8 minus 2 into 5 is equal to, y is equal to c1 into a2 is this thing, 5 into 3 minus 8 into 2 is equal to, it is -1, 2 into 2 minus 3 into 1. Okay, then therefore x by, this is 8 minus 10 is equal to y divided by 15 minus 16 is equal to -1 divided by 4 minus 3. Okay, then therefore what is that? X divided by -2 is equal to y divided by -1 is equal to -1 by -1. Okay, then after this, what do we get? This is what we substitute. Now compare x by 2 in and 1 by 1. What do we get? So x by -2 is equal to -1 by -1. So what is x is equal to? Multiplied, minus x is equal to, if you multiply cross, so cross multiply this one, so -2 into 1, it is what? 2, right? So x is equal to -2. Okay, then now compare this one, y by -1 is equal to -1 by -1, multiplying -1 is equal to minus y is equal to -1 into -1 is what? 1. Y is equal to what? -1. This is the value of what? Y. Okay, so therefore what is the solution? Therefore x is equal to -2 and x is equal to, y is equal to -1. This is what our solution. Okay, like this you have to solve. This is the use of cross multiplication method. Try the given example. 2-3 examples are given in your first question. So you go for this and try to solve it. Okay, thank you.